Today I'm making air fryer buffalo chicken wontons. First I'm going to make the filling for the buffalo chicken wonton, so in my bowl I have 1.5 cups of cooked chopped chicken. Next I'm going to add 4 ounces of softened cream cheese. Then 1/2 cup of buffalo sauce. Next I'm going to add 1/4 cup of blue cheese dressing, you could also use ranch. Next I'm going to add 1/2 cup of shredded cheese. Then I'm just going to mix that up until everything is combined. Next I'm going to make the buffalo chicken wonton, so first I'm going to take a wonton wrapper and then I'm going to take about a teaspoon of the filling and put it in the center of the wrapper. Next I'm going to wet my finger in some water and then wet down 2 of the sides and then take one corner and fold it over to the other corner and then press down the 2 sides and you should have a triangle shape. Next I'm just going to repeat the process with the rest of the wonton wrappers. Next, I'm going to add the buffalo chicken wontons into the air fryer. I'm going to bake these at 375 for 6 minutes. This is what the buffalo chicken wontons looked like when they came out of the air fryer, and I served it with some blue cheese dressing.